Hello friends, in the previous videos we have solved 30 problems on the concept of number system. In this video we are going to solve more 10 problems on the same concept number system. So please watch this video till the end. Let us start with few simple problems. First one of this video, 5358 into 51. You know very well how to calculate multiplication. Let us solve this. 5358 into 51. 1 8s are 8, 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3, 1 5s are 5, 5 8s are 40, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 4, 29, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 1, 26. Let us add these two. 9 plus 3, 12, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. 6 plus 1, 7, 2. The multiplication result of this problem is 2, 7, 3, 2, 5, 8. Right? You know very well how to do multiplication. See the next question. 1024 into 976. Here the given question is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. That means 1024 we can write it as 1000 plus 24 and 976 as 1000 minus 24. See the formula, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So let us substitute in the formula a and b values. You will get the answer. A is how much? 1000. B is 24. A square minus b square, 1000 square minus 24, 24 whole square, that is equal to 999424. That is the result of 1024 into 976. See the third one. 587 into 999. You know very well how to do multiplication between the two numbers. But observe here the given question. One of the multiplicand is having all digits same. So when you multiply these two, you will get the answer. But it takes a lots of time. So to save the time, I will explain one method. Whenever you have all digits are same, replace. That means here all digits are 9. So if you add 1 to that 999, it will become 1000. So here you added 1. So let us subtract 1. 1000 minus 1, how much? 999. So whenever you have one of the multiplicand is having all digits with 9, replace that with 1000 minus 1. That means if you have 999, you have to replace 99 with the 100 minus 1, like that. Now multiply these two. 587 into 1000, how much? You will get 3 zeros. 587 into 1000, 58700. 587 into 1, 587. Subtract these two. 0 minus 7 you can't subtract. So borrow 1 from 7, it will become 10. 10 minus 7, 3. Here 9. 9 minus 8, 1. Here 9. 9 minus 5, 4. Here 6, 8, 5. So the final answer for 587 into 999 will become 586, 413. See the next question. 469157 into 9999. Observe here, one of the multiplicand is having all digits are 9. So whenever you have all digits are 9, if you want to do multiplication, count the number of digits are having 9s. So here the total number of digits are 4, right? So keep 4 digits, 4 zeros to the other multiplicand. Other multiplicand is 469157. Keep as it is. Add 4 zeros to that number. After adding 4 zeros, you have to subtract that number with same number 145, 469, 157. You will get the answer as multiplication result of these two. Let us subtract these two. 10 minus 7, 3. 10 minus 5, 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 9, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. 1, 9, 6, 4. This is the result of 469157 into 9999. See the next question. 935421 into 625. Here you have to do multiplication between these two numbers. But observe here, one of the multiplicand, that is 935421, is very large number and it is little bit difficult to multiply these two numbers. Right? So, to calculate the multiplication result of these two, observe the other multiplicand, that is 625. We can write it as 625 as 5 power 4, right? 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125, 125 5 is 625. You will get the same answer. And again 5 with 10 by 2. That means 2 5 is 10. Again you will get the same thing, 5. So if you replace 5 power 4 with 10 by 2 whole power 4, you will get the same thing, 625, right? So let us replace 625 with 10 power 4 by 2 power 4. 935421 into 10 power 4 by 2 power 4. When you multiply these two, you will get 935421 into how much? 10 power 4. You will get 4 zeros. Divided by 2 power 4. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16. That means 4 into 4. Now cancel these 2 with 4. 4 2 is 8, remaining is 1. 4 3 is 12, remaining is 1. 4 3 is 12, remaining it will be 3. It will become 34. And 4 8 is 32, remaining is 2. It will become 22. 4 5 is 20, remaining is 2. That means 21. 4 5 is 20, remaining is 1. 4 2 is 8, remaining is 2. 4 5 is 20. And keep 2 zeros as it is. Again cancel with 4. Now cancel with 4. 4 5 is 20, remaining is 3. 4 8 is 32, remaining it will be 1. It will become 18. That means 4 4 is 16, remaining is 2. 4 6 is 24. 24 means here it will be 15. 4 3 is 12, remaining is 3. 4 8 is 32. 4 1 is 4, remaining is 10. 4 2 is 8, remaining is 2. 4 5 is 20. So the final answer for this question is 584638125. See the next question. 12846 into 593 plus 12846 into 407. Here you have to multiply these two and multiply these two. With the result we have to add. You will get the answer for this question. But it looks like very large, but the answer is very small. Observe the given question. There is a common number 12846. So take 12846 as common. Add these two numbers 593 and 407. After adding, multiply with 12846. You will get the answer. Let us add these two. 593 plus 407, how much? 7 plus 3, 10, 9 plus 1, 10. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 1, 1000. When you multiply 1000 with 12846, you will get the answer 12846,000. This is the answer for this given question. See the next question. 14927 into 567 minus 12927 into 467. In the previous problem we have added, but here we have to subtract. And there is common number 14927. Let us take it as common. Subtract 467 from 567. With that result multiply 14927. You will get the answer. Let us subtract these two. 7 minus 7 0, 6 minus 6 0, 5 minus 4 1. Multiply 100 with 14927. That means 1492700 is the answer for this given question. See the next question. 1499 into 1499. Here both two multiplicands are same. And observe here the multiplicand 1499. Can we write 149 as 1500 minus 1? Yes. 1500 minus 1 is how much? 1499. So if you replace 1499 with 1500 minus 1, this is in the form of 1500 minus 1 whole square. That means a minus b whole square. You know the formula a minus b whole square formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a is 1500 and b is 1. Now substitute in the formula. 1500 whole square plus 1 whole square minus 2 into A is how much? 1500 and B is 1. Now calculate 1500 into 1500. 15 15s are 225. Keep 4 zeros. Here we have to square. So keep 4 zeros plus 1. 2 15s are 30. Keep 2 zeros. Now subtract these two. You will get the final answer for this given question. 225 0 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 0 0 10 minus 3 7 here 4 2 2 2 2 4 7 0 0 is the answer for this given question. And here we have left with 1. So here we have to add. If you add 1, it will become 224701 is the final answer for this given question. 1499 into 1499. That means 1499 whole square is equal to 224701. See the problem on the concept of the previous problem. 1506 into 1506, that is equal to how much? See here, both two multiplicands are same, and multiplicand is, we can write it as 1500 plus 6, right? 1500 plus 6 is how much? 1506. So if you replace this, it will become 1500 plus C whole square. That means this is in the form of A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square formula is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here A is 1500, B is 6. Substitute in the formula. 1500 whole square plus 6 whole square plus 2 into A 1500, B is 6. Now calculate 1500 whole square. 225 0 0 0 6 6 are 36. 2 15s are 30. That means 3000. 3000 into 6 18,000. Now add these three, you will get the final answer. 225 0 0 0 0 18,000 plus 36. 630862 2268036 is the answer for this given question. 1506 whole square. See the last question in this video. That is 217 into 217 plus 183 into 183. Observe the given question. 217 can be written as 200 plus 17 into 200 plus 17, and 183 can be written as 200 plus 200 minus 17 into 200 minus 17. Again we can written as 200 plus 17 whole square plus 200 minus 17 whole square. Observe here, this is in the form of A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. You know the formula, A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square is how much? 2 into A square plus B square. Here A is 200 and B is 17. If you substitute in this formula, you will get the final answer. Now let us substitute in this formula. A is 200, that is 200 whole square, plus B is how much? 17. If you calculate this, you will get the final answer. 200 whole square means 40,000 plus 17 into 17. 289. 40,000 plus 289. 9824 into 2. 2 9s are 18. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 17. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 2 zeros. 0 2 4s are 8. The final answer for this question is 80,578. I hope you understood every problem which I have explained in this video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. For more videos, please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.